At Aputure, we know that to make films, you need more than just power, and you definitely need more than just tools. You need a drive to go where none have gone before. Introducing the Amaran MW. For the first time ever, the strength of our brightest lights can now be carried in your pocket. The MW utilizes Aputure-perfected chip-on-board technology, the same power that fuels the 120 and 300D, to claim its place as our most powerful micro-LED yet. This breakthrough allows the MW to be even smaller than the Amaran MX, compact enough to travel wherever your vision takes you, but also powerful enough to seize any moment. The MW is twice as powerful as the Amaran MX, making it the brightest mini LED on the market, and the only travel light capable of challenging the sun. But again, raw power isn't enough. Boasting a TLCI and CRI of 95+, this light guarantees incredible skin tones and tonal reproduction every time. And with a snap-on silicone diffuser and gel holder, the MW combines speed with all-star versatility and intensity. Pound for pound, the MW crushes every lighting test. At minimum, the MW has a battery life of 24 hours, giving it the endurance to continue fighting round after round. And with an aircraft aluminum build and IP68 certified housing, the MW is a light that can withstand any element or force of nature. Not only is the light impact and dust proof, but it is also the first light to be completely waterproof. The MW pushes beyond the surface. It works even 30 feet underwater. And it comes ready with tricks built up its sleeve. 5 lighting effects: lightning, paparazzi, fireworks. Whether it's for recreating the flicker of a faulty bulb or the glow of a television screen, the MW brings life to any scene when you want to see it, and stays invisible for when you don't. Because the best challenge themselves. So at Aputure, we design with this in mind. What do the filmmakers of tomorrow need today? For us, it's nothing less than the ability to create anything, anywhere. Because when the limits are gone, we want to know, what will you find?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues